Okay, what is going on, guys? We are going to be doing a roleplay video in this video before. Okay, it's good. Turd, get out of here. Oh crap, she's gonna chunk my car. So, what we need to do is get out of the car, get into my house, and we're gonna start off in my bedroom. Oh, that lag! What was that? I'm gonna just say I'm wrecked now. Alright, she's saying hi. The squid turd driving the car is her friend. Ugh, look at it, staring into my soul. What a creep. Ah! Okay, so role-playing starts, or I should say so-and-so movie starts now. Oh, man, tired. Or no, what? I'm feeling a little sick today. I might as well get some breakfast. Let's see what we got. Nothing. There's a moth in here. I'm out of here. Nope. This place is contaminated. Whee. No. Okay. We need to go to the Krusty Krab. Psych. I don't know if she can sprint. That lag. Oh my goodness. We lost our car again. Oh man. Are you ready? Let's see what she says. I'm just gonna say, let's go. Let's go. Wait. Whew. There's no going back now. No. Okay. Oh, thug tug. Mhm.
I mean, that's gross. You know, that's like that. That's really nasty. Make sure you open everything. You gotta clean your stuff every day. You guys are supposed to do that.
Bone thing from SpongeBob. There's a way how to go auto run is you press chat and oh, it didn't work. So you have to hold W, and then while you're holding W, press chat, let go, and you're not moving. Alright, just drink my drink.
You guys had a nice kind of your weekend over?
Oh. Ah! All these bones. Free is cram. Okay. 360. Oh, 360. Okay, sun's rising. jumping, bro. Like, you're in front of me now. Okay, now what? Wow! Make it look like I jumped. $10. She fell for it. Entering rock bottom. What is this place? Guys, what is this? Oh, there's cars! The crusty car. Okay. We need to... Okay. There's a lot of crusty cars. Wow, a lot of people did not make it. A lot of people did not make it. I spelled people wrong. Are you joking? Nah, stupid. Okay. Watch me flex. I'm so fast. Yeet. Alright. Okay. We made
You
it.
guys all turn in your things, right?
Yeah.
Why is there one right there? You got it home already?
Mm-hmm. Just above that water, where am I gonna make it? It's a really steep cliff, guys. Yeah, frick. Okay, I have to go into auto mode because I'm thirsty. Hold W. Okay, oh, there we go. Okay, where should go? Oh, she's all the way over there. Home. So far. Oh well. Yes. Oh man, that's annoying. What the? It's the water. Oh my goodness, we made it. City. Wow. Yeah. She was in my, remember when I got mobbed video, the video where on M2 where I said I got mobbed. That's the one that I dedicated the video to. Shout out to this girl right here. The crown. The crown. Oh. Wow. The boots. Let's see, what's behind here we got? What's that? Flower. Let's see. Oh my! I watched the movie when they got all dried up. Yikes. Okay, I'm out of here. That's scary. See ya on the video. Watch this. Watch this. Yay! I'm gone. Guys, I'm gone. How does CB? He doesn't know I'm gone. He doesn't know where I am. Oh God, he doesn't know where I am. I'm just about to go jump at her. Pops out of nowhere. We did it, boys. We made it. Yeet. Yeet. Okay, now time to get pranked. We're about to watch it fall. Okay. Relax, like, oh my goodness. Yeet. We're back on rock bottom. Just to make this trip a little quicker. Get back in this. Yeet. Oh, that was so clean, just letting it slide right in. Where is she? Oh, she's right there. I'm doing one of those things where I act like I'm gone, but I'm actually not. It's gonna be so good on her. She's gonna be like, where did we go? She's trying to turn the water. She's gonna be like, she's gonna be like, he's already up there. Okay. Let's go. Okay. 12 minutes in. Get me up. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Don't do it. It's a death trap. Okay. So we made it past the bone thing, but it takes quite a bit of time. Okay, come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. You know, freeze. And she watches the video, she'd be like, freeze. Okay. We are so close. We're almost back to Bikini Bottom. Okay. So close back to Bikini Bottom. Okay. I'm gonna do the thingy. Okay. I know I spammed a lot of S's. Okay, that's just got this now. That's what you're gonna be seeing. Delete those. Go back. Okay. So close. Come on. We are home. We are home. What in the name? Yeah, go back to where you belong, little creature.
Hamburgers and hot dogs? Yeah. That was a really last minute. Did you guys have another burger coming up?
No. Yeah, woo.
That's good news. That's a little bit of time anyway, right?
Alright guys, we'll see you all in the next adventure.